rushing to go to class. I think my class is at 11 o'clock. It is 10:50, right? My class is at 11:40. I'm so dumb, bro. Like, what the heck? Hello?
Hello?
Where you at?
I'm in my room. I'm getting ready.
Say hi to the vlog.
Oh, wait. But you can't even see me. Hi, vloggy. Oh my god, you're vlogging. Yay.
Yo.
Alright, give me like 10 minutes.
Alright.
Alright.
Alright, bye. So, my class is at 11:40, so I'm just chilling right now. I already have my jacket on and everything, which is really annoying. Like, bruh. Wait, I didn't even record this morning for you guys because I was in such a rush. Like, I woke up early, like, enough to get ready for my class. But, like, I totally forgot that I was gonna do, like, the first day of classes vlog, so I'm doing it now. I should probably put you guys on the tripod because I repeat, but I have not a lot to do today. I have 2 classes today. One at 11:40 and then one at 7:30. The 7:30 class is my honors class, and it's a yoga / meditation seminar. So like it's like an exercise fine way of living type of class. So it's like learning about nutrition and exercise and how meditation can help the mind. So I'm very excited for that class. I have my yoga mat and everything. I borrowed it from my friend who's another RA. So yeah, today's a nice little calm day. But since I have time, let me show you guys my little outfit. So let me show you guys. I have on my tech. It's not really my tech, but who cares? This shirt from Misguided. My pants are my mother. She gave them to me. I have my dunks, which I wear every single day. And then I have my hat. This is my brother's hat, but he gave it to me because he doesn't wear as much anymore. I have for jewelry, this is from my brother's brand, Peps World. It's an Africa for Life bracelet. It has like the king sign on it, and it has a bunch of like symbolized signs on it as well. You guys can get it on his website if you want it. I'll put it down below in the description. And I'm wearing an anklet that I also got from Primark. This is my look for the day.
Too much caffeine makes me tense.
You should drink Sanka brand decaffeinated coffee.
I like real coffee.
Sanka brand's 100% real coffee. Try it.
Mmm. Delicious. Delicious.
I don't know if it's just because I got used to the weather, but today is not as bad as I said it was gonna be. It's not 0 degrees. It's probably like maybe like 40 right now. I don't know. But it's not as bad as I thought it was gonna be. And now I'm hot, so I'm tight. I just got breakfast, a bacon, egg, and cheese on a bagel, basically. I'm just gonna go to the LC, which is the lecture center, and whoa, y'all can't even see me, and eat my breakfast there. Right now, it's 11:19, so if I eat my breakfast there, I'm gonna already be there for class, so I don't have to rush. I'm eating outside because I'm really hot. And no one has time to be going inside and to be hot, so I'm gonna just drink my water and mind my business. Jasmine really made me come out here early. Like, that's so irritating. I hate when people stare at me. Stop staring at me. Yo, there's mad kids coming from class. Let me show y'all. Like, they're all coming from class, and then there's more over there. I'm watching Outlander, as always.
Okay, so besides welcome, I guess the major course can facilitate.
You got extra hoes and everything you do is extra cold. From the polo fleece to the Jesus piece. I got family in high places like Jesus, niece.
I got new LED lights because the ones that I had, the ones that my friend gave me, they broke. So these are my new ones. Then I think this is my my throw pillow or my blanket stool. Oh, carpet. Ooh, cut this.
Please say my piece. If y'all press to death, then I'm deceased. And this one here is a heat rock, spit like the beatbox, the way the beat rocks, new version of beat rock. But for that band, I guess
I'm just checking what time my throw blanket is supposed to come. About to like USPS be getting me so tight, like, and my camera's about to die. They said that my package was attempted, but is being held for pickup at the carrier location. Do not play with me. I'm not about to go all the way there to get that. Like, are you dumb?
3L love, so I switch my girls around like 3L dub.
It works. Look what I did with my scissor poster. Whoa. With my scissor poster. It's like lighting up, but it's all over the room. Now I'm just gonna download the app on my phone and control it with my phone because this works with your phone. But yeah, these are really cool. These are my favorite ones, but they're so expensive. Like, they really increased the prices on Amazon. Like, a bunch of the people with Amazon stores, they OD'd with the prices because it used to be like 30 something. Now it's like 60 something plus tax, which is crazy. But so I got it to work. So orange, yellow, green, blue, light blue, purple, and then it goes by music too. So let me play a song real quick and you guys can see. But I made it work. I'm happy about that. So now I'm probably gonna just end up editing today's vlogs. I'm gonna make like a hairstyle for locks reel because I really want to start being more consistent on my Instagram. I've been really slacking, and I know this year I really want to grow my Instagram. My friend actually has been like on me. He's been like pushing for me to like post and stuff like that because he knows how much I want this. So like, I need to do that.
He tried to get him a clone. He said, yeah, you know you got extra hoes and everything you do is extra cold. From the polo fleece to the Jesus piece. I got family in high places like Jesus, niece. Can I please say my piece? If y'all fresh to death, then I'm deceased. And this one here is a heat rock, spit like a beatbox, the way the beat rocks, new version of Pete Rock. But for that band, I get CL love, so I switch my...
Okay guys, I just finished my yoga class and it was really calm. I got to leave like 25 minutes early, so that's good. We didn't do real yoga yet. We just did a few stretches and some mindful breathing. But now I'm about to go to the CC to go get some food because I'm hungry, but I don't want anything from the CC. Like, college food just don't hit no more. I'm really feeling like ordering something, but my friends are waiting for me, so I guess I have no choice.
He tried to get him a clone. He said, yeah, you know you got extra hoes and everything you do is extra cold. From the polo fleece to the Jesus piece. I got family in high places.